Hello everyone, how you all doing? I believe everybody is doing amazingly well. Welcome back to my channel and happy new year to you all. So let's jump right into the video. In this video I'll be showing you how I did this beautiful knotless loose braids. I hope you all enjoyed it. So this style I'm about to show you guys took me just under 2 hours to complete the whole thing, including the curls at the ends. And I'm applying my gel. This is my favorite gel. Like, I love this gel so much. So now I'm going to divide the hair into 3 parts or 3 sections, just like so. I'm going to do medium knotless box braid and very loose, and this is the thickness I'm going for. Again, going to sectioning this hair into 3 equal parts, just like so. 3 equal parts. And here I have already done one. So if you look closer, you would see I braided tightly at the base, like 3 to 4 inches, I would say. From there, you want to make sure to braid as loose as you can, not all the way to the ends. Make sure to leave 3 to 4 inches at the ends and braid normal till you cannot braid anymore. And I'm going to repeat the same process till done. This hairstyle was amazingly fun to create. There was nothing like stress, tiredness. I mean, everything was on point and I had a lot of fun with this hairstyle. After crossing my natural hair 1, 2, I braid 1, 2, add hair, 1, 2, add a piece of hair. I'm only using 3 strands of hair, and you can do what's best to your comfort level. Once I braid 3 to 4 times and tight enough, and begin braiding very loose, leaving 3 to 4 inches long, and braid tight to finish it. I always make sure to check everything whilst braiding, just the way I like it, because the most annoying part is to restart everything again. I hate that, like I seriously hate that. So now I'm gonna start braiding a little bit tight at this point, like 3 to 4 times, just like so. Watch carefully. Now you wanna make sure to start braiding as loose as you can from this point. Watch carefully. See that? Very loose, very loose. So you want to continue braiding loose, please, as loose as you can until you get to this stage. Let's say at this point. At this point, you want to make sure to do your normal braid. So this is it, looking great, beautiful. Love this hairstyle. Gonna come out so beautiful, I promise you guys. Looks very nice, and I did enjoy this hair, like seriously. And I couldn't upload this video because I fell sick along the way, even before Christmas, so I couldn't upload this video. So I'm sorry about that. I'm going to repeat the same process again and again and again.
Let's move on.
Excuse my voice, I'm recovering from fever. Protective hairstyles are the best. I mean, so good to protect your hair from time to time. But while you can wear some protective styles, including knotless braids, up to 8 weeks, wow, that's a long time, but I recommend 4 to 6 weeks, or maybe like 2 weeks of wear, to avoid any long-term damage to your hair underneath. And then also you have to make sure you have a firm understanding of your hair porosity before. And then also you want to make sure you have a firm understanding of your hair porosity prior to getting your knotless box braid. I love knotless box braids, hands down. The biggest relief is the pain-free aspect of knotless braid. Woo! Yo, let me tell you this story. I met a guy today, and what he said was, does the Bible say not to braid your hair? And I was like, what the Yes. So I asked him, please, who are you? He never ever replied me and walked away. But I'm thinking, in short, as long as you are not intending to draw attention to yourself in a way that you put others down, there's nothing whatsoever wrong with braiding your hair. Or what do you think? Please, I need a solution. Please help me out here. I was searching through the Bible and I found First Timothy chapter 2 verse 9 to 10 and First Peter chapter 3 verse 3 to 4. Am I right? So what you see me doing here right now is kind of tucking my hair in the braiding hair just to hide my own natural hair, so that my braids will come out so sleek and beautiful. Even yesterday, I also met a preacher preached strongly against plaited hair. If I leave my hair without plaiting, maintenance become a problem. I don't know whether plaiting is really prohibited in the Bible or not. Friends, what do you think? So anyway, let's continue this style. I braided all the way to this point. Now just going to braid as tight as I can to complete it, just like so. Very nice. It's very fluffy and it looks so beautiful. Seriously, knotless box braids are so lovely to create, and they are like hitting the jackpot in hairstyles. They are so low in maintenance and have a very beautiful, lovely queen look. So this is a bra length I'm going for. It's not too long and not too short. Very lightweight, sleek, and so nice. Just look at that. It looks so pretty. Just look at that. So juicy. And it's so lightweight. I love this hairstyle. I'm gonna see you all very shortly in my next video, so please stay tuned for the next part and make sure to subscribe, like and share for more videos. Comments down.